So hello guys, my name is Abel Gupta and you're watching your favorite channel, that is the Bangalorean Bomb. So the topic here is not about any motor blog, or it is precisely not bike reviews and all that. So I'm going to share few things with you guys that about some instruments what I am using for making blogs. Okay. So first of all, obviously you can understand that why the video set is suddenly coming up into the picture. Tell you that yes, I bought a new equipment for making a blog, of course. Okay, and it's a dream for each and every blogger to have this thing. And to be a blogger or be a motor blogger precisely must need an action cam. And to be very honest with you, that I was using an action cam, and that is noise play action camera, and I was using it for past 4 years, but actually it is supporting me a lot. So whatever the videos you have seen till now, so whatever you have seen, that is all been shooted by this action camera. And this video actually is made by my phone's camera, and that is Vivo V19, and it is working absolutely fine. You can see the I button somewhere, the unboxing video of this phone, and as well as you can see the I button as well, in the I button somewhere, the unboxing video for this noise play action camera. So now the time is end of this action camera.
चीटिंग करता है तू.
And now I bought a new action camera, and that is Hero GoPro 9.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है.
So finally I thought to upgrade my camera, because I got so many reviews from my friends, my family member, or my subscribers as well, that I need to really work upon my camera.
बात तो सही है. दौड़ना तो पड़ता है.
So I have decided now. That time what happened, it was a very big task for me to invest money to buy an action camera, because obviously I have the budget of near about 40k, but still I was thinking that before I invest that huge amount to an action camera, so I thought to do some R&D. So that time actually my friend, a blogger whose name is Asansolian Akash, and as well as the Rocco Rider, share their video link in the description below, and they helped me a lot to select this camera. So I have a thought in my mind, like I have few cameras in my mind. First is that Insta, second one is Osmo, third one is SJ Cam, and the fourth one is the GoPro. So I was thinking I have to take the camera in between four. So I was more into Insta 360, to be very honest with you, but my friend Akash was suggesting me to go with GoPro, because the kind of camera, as a moto blogger, what GoPro is providing you, none of the camera is going to give. Not only that, I bought few things as well.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
And that is this camera holder, and it is completely good and rubber finished and everything, and it's very rock solid and steady, and it is costing me around 500. Okay, and again I bought it from Amazon, and I'll give you the link over there. And as well
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
as I bought this GoPro blog case, okay, which is costing me around 900 and something, but unfortunately this is compatible for GoPro 8, not GoPro 9. So I don't know that whether Amazon will gonna change it or not, but yes, I didn't get time to replace it, but however I have to do it. So that's all. It's a big thing for as a blogger to purchase these items. So yes, as I have said that I'm not a camera person, I'm completely, you can say, illiterate about camera, but still I was thinking to make this blog like layman usage, that whether you should buy GoPro 9 or not, because obviously it's a huge amount of money, which is costing around 36,000. okay, and with this, all these items near about 37 or 38. okay, so to be very honest with you, that it is really good for you or not, so that definitely I'm going to share with you guys.
So this is the standard view, and the aspect ratio is 4:3, 4K 30 fps, and the lens angle is wide. So now I'll go to that side which is little bit dark, okay, and I'll show you that how it performs. This is standard, okay, and which is coming with 4K, and the aspect ratio is 4:3 and at 30 fps, okay, and this is the wide, okay, and I didn't make any changes, by the way, and as you can see the atmosphere that there's only one light over there. There is no dedicated night mode, but yes, you can change the setting and make it like night mode, so I'll show you that as well. Now this is the night mode. Actually it is not performing well, maybe because of that maybe I didn't do the settings properly. So this is the cinematic view, or this is the cinematic mode of this GoPro, okay. So this is the dedicated settings from GoPro, what you will get it, and it has been recorded in 4K 30 fps, and it is not wide, it is just linear, okay, linear angle you will get it, and this is how it is. So this is the cinematic mode, as I have said. So as you can see that you will not get the angle properly, okay, it is very small, okay. So this is the slow motion of this camera, and it is performing well, what I can see so far. So how did you like it? So please comment on the comment section. So hey guys, as you can see that this is my garage, okay. So today I'm getting the natural lights over, you can see the vents over there, and I'm not showing my motorcycle and garage, to be very honest with you. I'm showing that how this camera performs, okay. So this is the angle what you can see. By the way, the camera setting is 180p with 60 frame rate, okay, or 60 fps. So this is the thing, and as I have said that I don't have any kind of external mic and all that. So this is how you can get the voice, okay, and moreover I am wearing helmet as well. So that's how it is, and the distance from the first motorcycle and me, it is near about 7 feet, okay, or more than that if I'm not wrong. So let's go for a small spin-off ride so that I can tell you that how it performs in a high speed, because I'm going to take this motorcycle. So let's go. And that how is the stability while driving or riding, और आपको viewing angle का भी पता चल जाएगा. हालांकि मैंने जो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ वो है मेरा जो हेलमेट पहन के चला रहा हूँ, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि मेरे पास कोई एक्सटर्नल माइक नहीं है, तो यही है सीन, ठीक है।
I hope you enjoyed this video. So before I end up this video, I need to tell you something. So yes, as you have seen me that I am making vlog from Asansol. Okay, I am not going to Bangalore. So first of all, and I think last year in one of the blog I have said that I don't know that whether I move to Bangalore or well I'm gonna settle down. So yes, I am now going to settle down in Calcutta. So I'm not going to go to Bangalore anymore. So yes, that's a good news for me as well. And actually it's a mixed reaction for me because to be very honest with you, that I don't wish to leave Bangalore. Okay, but I have to. Okay, so there is no other choice because of some family commitment and all that stuff. So yeah, as well as I was thinking to change my channel's name too, because I want to keep the Bangalorean Bong, but the problem is that it is very problem for me to tell the people the name of the channel, and even they are not pro into typing and all that. So I was thinking to make I want to change the channel's name into something so that they can easily type it and get my channel's name. So that's the reason I thought to change my channel's name. Otherwise I'm completely okay with it. And to be very honest with you, I thought to make the channel's name in such a way so that they can understand that yes, I'm coming from Bangalore. But the problem is that whatever the channel's name, I was thinking to keep it, but either they have someone is already been it is already been taken by someone, or it is already been registered. So that's the reason I thought that it's better to go with my name, personal name. So let's see. So I was thinking some channel's name as well in my mind. So let's see, I will gonna discuss with you guys as well before I change it. And that's all guys, I have to take a sweet alvida from you guys. And yes, this channel will gonna open, only the name will be changed, that's all. So that's all from my end guys. So I have to take a sweet alvida. So till then, take care, bye bye, and have blast, and please ride safe and wear helmet while you are riding. So that's all guys.